Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Ruthless Motorsports. You're checking out a 2019 Polaris Turbo S. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. One thing you guys love about your S is those fangs out front, right? Check this out, you guys. We're gonna come inside here and activate the turn signal switch. Same thing that's in your car is gonna be with the Ryco kit. Simply push down. One thing we love about the Ryco kit is it does tie into that stock gauge. Check that out. You want to see something even better? Oh yeah. So this is actually a total plug and play kit. Replaces that fang for you. Around the back side of the machine, it's going to tie into the stock taillight housing. No drilling in the back required there. Super clean, super bright. Also, the Ryco kit's going to come with your license plate mounting hardware, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. The Ryco kit's going to come with complete color instructions. Also has the horn button integrated into the end of the lever. Really nice, loud car style horn. You also have the four-way hazard function on the Ryco kit. We do have these kits in stock ready to ship out to you today. What do you guys think? Best kit on the market, you guys. We've got them available. Check us out on the web at ruthlessmotorsports.com. You can also give us a call, 801-737-6400, or simply shoot me a text, 435-851-3637. My name's Jared, Ruthless Motorsports. We're actually down here at Discount Tire, Rally on the Rocks. I want to introduce you to Roy. He's the genius behind this invention. Tell everybody hello.
Hello.
What machines do you sell kits for?
Virtually everything.
Everything out there on the market. Give us a call, you guys. We'd love to get you in touch. We can get it shipped out today. If you're in Moab, we've got them in stock. Have a great day, everybody.